In this video, I'm going to speak about some of the types of online courses and show you some differences between them. The first type of online course I want to talk about is a lead generator course. Some of the goals of this course is to get email subscriptions or subscribers, Facebook, Instagram followers, YouTube subscribers, and so on. My advice is, however, to concentrate on one media platform at a time. But don't forget that with a lead generator course, your main focus should be on collecting leads, that is, potential customers. One of the most effective ways to generate leads is to collect their emails and start building your email list. In this way, you grow the traffic that you own, which lies in your email list. This course can be free or paid, in which you give lots of value to your students. This may also be your first contact with them, so be sure you are giving as much value as possible and make them want to know more about your product or services. This type of course could be your testing field. If you are new to online business or business in general, with this type of course you're testing the waters and your market. You will basically find out, maybe for the first time, what you need to do and what you need to have at your disposal in order to create a profitable online course. And this being your first course, it could be a short one in the form of a couple of 4 to 7 videos where you give value to your students. In this mini course, you should concentrate on some quick tips that your students could implement quickly in their workflow. Generally, a mini course is free, but it is up to you if you want to charge for it or not. The price for a lead generator course could be set between $7 to $37 or more, but it is up to you to test different prices. As an example, I could give you the example of 2 of my lead generator courses. Learn how to mix a song with one stock plugin, which is an almost 2 hours course, and another one, learn how to master a song with 2 stock plugins, which is up to an hour long. Depending on your niche, you could even create a simple 15 minutes lead generator course, and that could be okay. Don't focus on how to add many hours to your course. Focus on presenting some quick ways to your students that your students could use in their lives to solve some of their struggles. The Fast Solution course. This course is more advanced than your lead magnet or the lead generator course, and its main focus is on giving the students fast solutions to their problems. In the same time, this kind of course sets you up as an expert in your field. If you worked for some time in a field and you want to serve more customers and start generating more income online, this type of course is probably the best to start with. And I'm not saying here you should not create your lead generator course. You should. Creating the lead generator course could be a great exercise and preparation in case you never created courses before. In creating that short course, you will experience the course creation process, have challenges, and you will learn also how to efficiently create a course. But the lead generator will also help you in collecting leads that you can market your other products or services to. After creating the lead generator course, you will create a refined and professional fast solution course. We mentioned that in your lead generator course, you can present some quick, simple steps that your students could apply in solving their problems related to the field you are an expert in. In the fast solution and the consulting courses, you should focus on giving more advanced steps. Maybe you can present the step-by-step of a process in your field, going from the beginning to the end. As an example, in my fast solution course, Learn how to produce a song for video, I'm presenting the students each step they should take for producing a song, from an idea to a finished song. Songs that could be used as a background or used in social media videos. These types of songs could be later used for generating passive income for the audio producers who are taking the course. So, this course is not some general quick tips presented like in the lead generator course. This fast solution course should be a detailed step-by-step process presentation that should help your students achieve and complete a project from start to the end. Depending on your niche you picked, I would suggest you to have in this kind of course 10 to 25 tips that your students could apply immediately. Of course, as I mentioned, it depends on your niche of expertise. Some courses could be 1 hour long, and that would be okay. But if you need more time to present what you intend to, definitely go for it. As an example, my Fast Solution course has more than 1 hour, where I show the audio producers how to create a song from start to finish. Now, what about pricing? The course pricing is a personal decision. In my case, I could definitely charge more for my fast solution course. However, I decided to price it at $97. But this kind of courses should be priced up to $200 to $300. Again, test different prices in your market and see the response you are getting. The expert course. This type of course is focused on solving almost every problem your students are facing in your niche. The expert course establishes you as an expert or authority, if you want, in your field of expertise. Compared with the fast solution course type, this course is a more detailed course, and I mean packed with important in-depth value and information that your students could use. In this course, you are basically taking your student in a detailed step-by-step process from having almost no idea about your niche to creating and finishing a project in your niche. One piece of advice here: if you are new to creating online courses and online business in general, create your lead generator and fast solution courses first. Don't start with the expert course. As mentioned, you should create the lead generator and fast solution courses first to get you accustomed with the process of creating an online course. This way, you will be more prepared for creating one of the best versions of your expert course. I mentioned the lead generator course should be a short 15 minutes course. On the other hand, your expert course should generally have more than 1 hour and maybe up to 4 or 6 hours. This should allow you to present a detailed solution which would allow your students to learn new, simple, and more advanced skills and solutions that could be applied in your niche. As an example of an expert course, my music production masterclass is a more than 6 hours and in-depth step-by-step course for producing music from an idea to a finished song. Being a more detailed course and definitely more advanced than the fast solution course, the expert course should be priced accordingly from $200 up to $2,000 or $3,000 and more. Test for yourself and make your market research and try pricing your expert course. And of course, you should definitely have this type of course in your online course business strategy. The consultant course. Compared with the expert course, the consultant course is offering both students learning but also support from your part as an expert. Offering this kind of course, you may choose to support one or more students by giving custom individual project reviews or weekly live calls for a larger group of students, or maybe group support. The consulting course should include more advanced techniques than the ones presented in the expert course, and should offer some kind of support to your students outside of your course. This is a great type of course if you like having more contact with your students, watching their learning and applying process. Another important aspect of this type of course is that you can price it more than the expert course, as it involves more advanced techniques but also more time from your part, be it for custom reviews or group live calls or any kind of other support. So depending on the niche you are in, the consultant type of course should be priced from $200 up to more than $5,000. Again, you need to do some market research and test different prices for your course. The length of your consultant course should be more than 3 hours, fully packed with valuable information and step-by-step process, helping your students achieving the best results. As an example of this type of course, I have my Audio Profit Lab program, which is an 8 weeks program and a more advanced course designed for audio producers that want to learn audio production but also want to start their own audio production business. This course has a length of more than 15 hours at the moment, and as it is a consultant type of course, I'm offering the students support during their transformation through a Facebook group and email support. In summary, the consultant course offers the student not only a course, but also some custom or group support. The membership school. You can offer this kind of learning experience when you have more courses and materials that students can consume at their pace. This is great for course creators who want to impact more and more students, offering their courses through a membership payment model. Meaning, instead of buying individual courses, students would pay a monthly or annual fee to be part of the school, having access to all courses and future content. The membership pricing should be between $7 and $147 a month, or more, and it is a great source of passive income. Now that you know about the types of courses, you may think to yourself, I know I got what it takes, but am I an expert? Am I allowed to do this? This seems that happens not only to you, but to everyone, and the experts are calling this the imposter syndrome, and you should definitely be aware of this. If you are not experiencing this yet, you will definitely experience it at some point in this journey. One key thing to remember is that the feeling is normal, but it doesn't have to stop you from getting your course online. Before even creating or choosing the name of your course, know that it is your moral obligation to share your knowledge with the world. And by helping the world, you are helping yourself. Don't get stuck in the I can do's. I'm serious here. People don't care about your insecurities or about you. They only care about what you can do for them, for solving their problems. That's it. Now that we got this out of the way, for your assignment, write on a piece of paper the answer to this question. What kind of course do you think of creating first, and why? Lead generator course, fast solution course, expert course, or maybe the consultant course. When you decided on the type of the course you will create first, I'll see you in the next video.